afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear children.
Good
Ma'am, you are at home?
Yes, dear. Like you, me also at home.
Yes.
Nice to see you at home.
Ah, you
There are
are
pictures
nice to
behind
see
you.
Okay, thank you. So, dear children, my voice is clear to you, dear children?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I am admitting others. Let them come.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
How are you going to teach us from there without the board?
Sorry?
How are you going to teach us from there without the board?
Sorry?
How you teach without the board?
Ah, yes. That whiteboard anyway we can't, easy board we can't anyway arrange here. I can't arrange here, but
So you are going to use the board from your phone?
sorry.
You will use the board from your phone?
Today we don't want to use board, but later we can. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, children. Ah, yes. Agnesh, I saw you for the last class. Have entered. Very good afternoon. All had lunch, I think. Are you all?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now, my good children should mute your audios.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Everybody mute your audios. So, Deva Krishna, please mute your audio. Dara, Ivan, Anthony,
I'm simply talking.
please mute your audios.
You're stuck.
Preet also, please mute your audio. Otherwise, I am going to mute you all.
Ma'am, you're stuck. Ma'am, you
Yes,
have
that I'll make proper. Now, dear children, last day we don't want to waste time because other teacher want to start the class. We are in the same studio now also. So other teacher want to take class. So dear children, I'm going to, we can start the class. Last day we have discussed about numbers, 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers till the place value 1000. Which are the place values? 1000 for a 4-digit number. 1000, hundred, tens, ones. So we have discussed about number, name, and how we will write in numeral. Dear children, Aishwarya, please unmute. What is the smallest 1-digit number? Smallest 1-digit number. 1-digit number. Smallest 1-digit number. Others, please don't unmute. Let her say answer. Yes. Yes, you can tell me.
Ma'am, 10.
1-digit number. Let Ashwati say answer, okay?
1.
Ashwati?
1.
Have you
Yes, ma'am.
What is the smallest 1-digit number?
You are calling Aishwarya, not Ashwati.
Okay, Ashwati. That's why I thought you can't hear. Okay. You can't hear me. That's why you are sitting like this. Okay. Aishwarya, I called. Okay. Ashwati, I mean Aishwati. Okay. 1. Anyway, Aishwarya said answer. Correct. Aishwarya, it's correct. Smallest 1-digit number is 1. Now, Ashwati, will you say what is the smallest 2-digit number? 2-digit number. Ashwati. 10. Yes.
10.
So correct, Ashwati. Very good. So now Aishwarya said the smallest one-digit number 1, and Ashwati said smallest two-digit number 10. Now, Christina, will you tell what is the smallest three-digit number? Sorry, others, please mute your audio. Wait, dear children, let me mute you. Oh, now, Christina, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you tell smallest three-digit number? What is smallest three-digit number?
20.
Smallest three-digit. Three-digit means there should be three-digit. Smallest three-digit number. Smallest one-digit number is 1.
Yes.
Two-digit number is 10. Smallest two-digit number. So smallest three-digit number is. Wait. Let me check. Think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, very good. It's 100. So dear children, smallest one-digit number is 1. Two-digit number is 10. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Now, Evelyn, will you tell smallest four-digit number? 10, 100. Now, what will be smallest four-digit number? Smallest one-digit number is 1. Check the pattern how it is going on. Smallest one-digit number is 1. Two-digit number is 10, 1, 0. And three-digit number is 100. And four-digit number will be unmute. Okay. I will help you to unmute. Wait. Yes, dear, unmute.
1,000.
Yes, 1,000. See, 1, 10, 100, 1,000. These are the smallest one-digit number, two-digit number, three-digit number, and four-digit number. Yes, Aishwarya also messaging. Okay, correct answer. I will show you. If we are writing in a writing these numbers, it will be like a pattern. 1, 10, 100, 1,000. I will show you that. I'll show you the image for that. It's, yes. See, smallest one-digit number is 1. Smallest two-digit number is 10. And smallest three-digit number is 100. And smallest four-digit number is 1,000. Okay. So, now dear children, now have you understood, dear children, all this, which is the smallest four-digit number? 1,000. Yes. Now we are going to discuss greatest numbers. Okay. Vaiga, please unmute. Vaiga.
Ma'am.
Yes. Will you say what is the greatest one-digit number, biggest one-digit number? One digit. Only one digit should be there.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 9. Yes, 9 is the greatest one-digit number. Yes, good. Now, Ivan, unmute. Please, others, please mute your audio, okay?
Yes.
Now, dear Ivan, what is the smallest two-digit number? Sorry, greatest two-digit number. Greatest two-digit. Now Vaiga said,
9.
correct answer, smallest one-digit number is 9. So what will be the
19.
greatest one-digit number is 9. So what will be greatest two-digit number?
20.
Greatest two-digit number. Who is saying 20?
Number
Greatest.
99.
Wait.
90.
Vaiga, please mute.
99.
Sit properly.
99.
99. It's
99.
99. Greatest one-digit number is 9. Greatest two-digit number is 99.
99.
Now please don't. Do I want to mute you all again? No. So please mute your audio, everybody.
No.
Everyone can mute your audio. Now, Dhananjay, please unmute. Please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Dhananjay, please unmute.
Daily test is there.
Today, no daily test. We will be taking later. Okay.
Ma'am, please.
Okay. Dhananjay, what will be the smallest three-digit number? Sorry, greatest three-digit number, dear. Greatest one-digit number is 9. Dhananjay,
99.
hear me, dear? Can you hear me? Greatest one-digit number is 9. Greatest two-digit number is 99. So what will be greatest three-digit number?
99. 999.
999. Okay. Others. Now I am going to mute you all. That's why. Otherwise.
No, ma'am.
So, dear children, greatest three-digit number is 999. Now, Ivana, now will you tell which is the greatest four-digit number? Wait. Let me unmute you. Yes, Ivana, you can unmute now.
Yes, ma'am.
How many nines will be there? Or how we will say? 9, 99, 999. Next, what will come?
49.
4 nines. How we will read that? If 4 digits are there, place value will start from 1000. Isn't it? So, 9,999. Okay. 9,999. 9,999. So, dear children, greatest four-digit number is 9,999. This greatest number also, if you are writing, it will be like a pattern. Greatest one-digit number is 9. Two-digit number is 99. Greatest three-digit number is 999. 3 nines. And greatest four-digit number is 49. That means 9,999. I'll show you. Wait. Yes. See, greatest one-digit number is 9. Greatest two-digit number is 99. Greatest three-digit number is 999. And greatest four-digit number is 9,999. So, now dear children, now we are going to discuss another topic. Only this much we want to study from this. Greatest, all other things you have learned last year. Greatest three-digit number, smallest three-digit number and all. You have learned last year. This year you only want to study then. The greatest four-digit number is 9,999 and smallest four-digit number is 1000. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about Okay. Now we are going to discuss about abacus. Abacus you have learned last year. With the spikes, place values will be there. On near to place values, spikes will be there. You have to place the beads. Then it will be representing some numbers. Here we have to represent 4-digit numbers. For that, 4 spikes will be there. Each spikes will be representing place values from 1000 to ones. That means TH 1000. Then H for hundreds, T for tens, O for ones. I will share the image. I will share the image now. Okay. I'll show you an image of an abacus. Yes. I hope you all can see the image of abacus.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
you can see 4 black spikes. Black lines are?
Ma'am,
Yes.
where are you?
Yes,
I am here now. You can see the image. Okay. There will be 4 black spikes. And first one is 1000 place spike. Then next one is hundreds. And next one is tens. And the next one is O. Means ones.
Once.
And which you have to put, you have to check the place value and the digit, and you have to put that represent a number. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, today
Now, dear children, you don't want to put any bits if the digit 0 is there. 0 means nothing. So you don't want to put any beat for 0. The 0 digit is there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I was showing a image.
answer.
Yes. Okay. Dear children, I hope you can see one abacus with the beads now. But
No, ma'am. Cannot see. No, ma'am.
wait. It will take time. Now only I shared here.
Ma'am, Laura.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Yes, wait.
No, nothing. If it's coming, it will be written. The host has started sharing the screen. It's not written.
Not written. Wait.
I can't see anything.
Wait. Now again I am going to share.
The room became dark.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yay!
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
dear children.
But we cannot see you.
Ma'am.
It's okay. Now you have to see this abacus. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Dear children, now
Ma'am.
please let me explain after that. I'll give you a few questions.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
please let some are there to understand. Dear children, please
300.
you mute your audios, everybody.
62.
Wait. Dear children, here you can see. Children, here you can see 4 spikes in that different colored beads are there. First spike is blue colored. First spike, there are blue colored beads. If you are counting, there will be 5 beads. On that, you can see the place value TH. So 5,000s are there for this number, or the 1000 place digit is 5. Next one is 100 place. There are 3 beads. So 300s. And next one, it's 10th place. There are 6 beads. And the last one, you can see 2 yellow beads. That means 2 ones. The number is then 5,362. Okay. Now I will be showing another one. Another example. Now, let me share another thing, another photo.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Yes. Dear children, in this 1000 place, how many beads are there?
3 beads.
3 beads. So, 3000.
3,245.
Again, I'm going to read you all.
3,200.
Wait.
200.
Yes, next. Who will say? Now, Ishan, please unmute. Ishan. Ishan. Yes. How many 1000 place? How many beads are there? Dear? 3 beads. 3 yellow beads are there. So 1000, dear children, 1000 place digit is 3. Okay, next I will be asking to Bhumi. Unmute. Bhumi. Bhumi. Yes. 100 place, how many digits are, how many beads are there, dear? Bhumi. 2. 2 green beads are there. So 100 place digit is 2 or 200s are there in this number. Okay. Next. I want Zia. Please unmute.
Unmute.
Tens place. How many red beads are there on tens place?
4.
4. So 4 tens. That means 40. So 3,240. Now we can check the ones place. Wait. Let me call somebody.
Ma'am, unmute, ma'am.
Zara, unmute. Zara.
Yes, ma'am.
Ones place, how many digits are there?
Ones place. 1, 2, 3.
How many blue beads are there?
5.
5 beads. So the number will be 3,245.
5.
Okay.
3,245.
Yes. Now, dear children, have you understood how we will be representing the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Through abacus. Wait, let me unmute you all. Okay, have you understood, dear children? Dara, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am going to give you. Now I am going to give you 2 questions. You have to copy down to your notebook and do it now. Okay? You have to draw the. I have drawn the abacus spikes, place value and spikes. You have to place the correct number of beads. Take your math notebook. Put today's date. 8. I'm going to share the question.
Today's date?
27. It's 27 today. I think you all can see the Take your maths notebook. If you don't have maths notebook, take whatever book you have. Dear children, stop chatting. You can take your book, maths notebook. Put today's date and copy the question. Represent the following numbers on abacus and write the question A and B and draw the spikes and draw the correct number of beads on the each spike. No, Suhim, please start writing. Everybody, please start fast. I hope you all started writing, dear children. Dear children, have you all started writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Put the date 27/7/2020 and please mute your audio. Who is speaking in Malayalam over there, dear children?
Ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write in notebook.
Yes, if you have notebook with you now, copy down.
Okay,
your
ma'am,
notebook.
I have.
Yeah. 3,000. Who is saying 300? It's 3,000. 3,210. First number. Second number, 2,213.
1,101.
Yes, these are the place values.
Finish. I finish.
Okay. Let others complete. Okay. Have you placed? Have you drawn the beads, dear children? Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
You have to represent the number on the abacus. That means you have to represent 3,210 on the abacus. I have drawn one abacus. You have to draw the abacus.
My
like that and you have to draw the
Am I finished?
Okay. Let me wait.
Ma'am, today's date.
Everybody completed.
Ma'am.
Yes.
No,
Copy
ma'am.
down the questions, everybody.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all copied? Yes. Let's
Ma'am, what is the date? Ma'am, I didn't Ma'am, I finished.
So I want to share again. Agnivesh, have you completed? Yes. Okay. Savio, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am, I not completed.
Who didn't complete?
I.
Zara didn't complete. Okay, I will share again.
Ma'am, I didn't complete.
Okay. I will share once more. Don't worry. I will share once more. Don't worry.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now, dear children, I shared again. Those who didn't complete, please. Please do it fast. So, sorry? Finished. Zara, have you completed?
Over.
Now, dear, I have to.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. Now, I think most of you have completed, isn't it? Yes. Dear, yes. Okay. Some still I can see if you are writing. Zara, are you writing? Finish. Yes, dear children. Now I will be sharing the answers. Now I will be sharing the answers through WhatsApp. Some will be there too. So check your answers. Okay, will you check the answers? How to wind up the class, dear children? So I'm going to I'll share the answers.
Ma'am, 139. This is 126. Ma'am, I cannot see.
Who is singing like this?
Ma'am, I cannot see the board. Only.
Dear children, I stopped sharing now. I think Rubika all doing now. Rubika, have you completed? No. So I will share the answers through WhatsApp. You have to check your answer. Next day I will be asking you. Only 2 questions. Will you do that? Will you all do that? Show me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. If you, yes, you have to cross check. Pious. Very good. Okay, you have to check your answer. I will be sending the answer through WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you, my dear children. Going to wind up today's class. Going to wind up today's class. See you next day. Bye. Bye, dear children. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to check the answer.
Bye. Bye. Bye.